Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We were solving problems in discrete structures optimization. Now we will continue with the third problem. This third problem is maximize z equal to 6x plus 5y subject to constraints given 2x minus cy less than equal to 5, x plus cy less than equal to 11 and 4x plus y less than equal to 15, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. We'll solve this sum. Okay. So here I have written the sum. Okay. So first it is a maximization problem. So we'll try to solve the sum. First we have to take the each and every constraints and we have to find out the points. Okay. So here 2x minus 3y equal to 5. So substituting x is equal to 0, we have minus 3y equal to 5 and y is 5 by 3 which is equal to 1.66. Okay, so 3 goes 1 times, remainder 2, 26. So minus 1.66 because it is minus y is minus 5 by 3. Next, so the point will be 0 comma minus 1.66. Next, we put y equal to 0, then we get 2x equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 by 2 which is equal to 2.5. So here the point will be 2.5 comma 0. So this is the point. Next we'll do the next constraints. Here the next line is x plus 3y equals to 11. So here again you put x equal to 0, then 3y equal to 11 and y is equal to 11 by 3. Y is equal to 11 by 3 which is 3.9 2 remainder 20, so 3.66. So here the value will be 0 and 3.66, and then if you put y equal to 0, the value will be x is equal to 11. So the point is 11 comma 0. Okay, next the third line is 4x plus y equal to 15. So substitute x is equal to 0, we have y equal to 15. So the point is 0 and 15. Now if we substitute y equal to 0, we have 4x equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 4 which is equal to 3. So 12, 30, so 3.75. So the value is 3.75 and 0. Now we have had the points for the lines. Okay, next see the condition will be less than equal to, we want to find the draw the points and draw the lines, then we have to find out the feasible region. For finding feasible region we need to know the whether it is greater or less than. So here it is, values are less than or equal to. Now we have what all the conditions have taken, we have put the lines we have put 2x minus cy equal to 5, equal to 11 and equal to 15. Now we have a condition as less than, also less than 5. So now we'll use this value less than and try to find the actual points which is in the feasible region. Okay, so for that what we should do, I shall see x is equal to 0 for the first condition. When x is equal to 0, y is minus 1.66, but we can leave out this point because y value should be greater than or equal to 0, so this value does not exist. So y should be less than minus 1.66, but we don't consider this point because it is less than 0. So now we take this value, that is y equal to 0, x will be less than 2.5. So we take this value. Okay, when y equal to 0, x is less than 2.5. Similarly for the next line also, we see x is equal to 0, y should be less than 3.66. Similarly, when y equal to 0, x should be less than 11. Similarly for the third line, when x is equal to 0, y should be less than 15. Then when y equal to 0, x should be less than 3.75. Now you see these three conditions, you can leave out this one. So find out what are the values of x. So x is less than 2.5, x less than 11, x less than 3.75, which means you can have to take this point. Say out of the three values of x is less than 2.5, x less than 11, and x less than 3.75. I will take this point because this point will cover all these points will come under this one, because x less than 2.5 means it is less than 11, less than 3.75. Okay, so all these conditions will be satisfied, so you take this point. Similarly for y, see y less than 1.66, y less than 3.66, y less than 15. So out of these 3 points, so this one will not take. Okay, so y less than 3.66 and y less than 15. Okay, so among this, which will take, the lower value, because this less than 3.66, this includes this as well. Because we have to satisfy both the conditions, because y less than 3.66 means satisfies this condition as well as this condition. Okay, so we take this point. So now we'll draw the line. Okay, here. Now we'll have to draw the points. So first is 0 and 1.66. So the points are for the first line 0, 1, minus 1.66. So it will be here. So I'll write 1, 2. So it is minus 1, minus 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So x value is maximum will be 11. So 9, 10 and 11, and then y value maximum will be 15. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then see this is 15. Okay, so what are the points? First is 0 and 1 minus 1.66. So 1 minus 1.66 will be over here. So 0 and 1.66 will be here, and next 2.5 comma 0. So here is 2.5. So draw the line between these two. So what is this line? This line is 2x minus 3y equal to 5. So what are the values? The values are 0 and minus 1.66, and then 2.5 and 0. 2.5 and 0. Next line we have 0 and 3.66. So x0, 3.66 will be here. So 0 and 3.66, the point will be here, and then 11 and 0. So 11, it's 11 here, so 11 and 0 will be here. So 11, 0. So we have to connect the point. Okay, so this point with this point. Okay, so what is this line? This line is x plus 3y equal to 11. Next 0 and 0, 15. So x is 0, y is 15. So this is 0, 15 point, and 3.75 and 0. So this is 3.75. This one is 3.75. Let's take. So 3.75 and 0. This point is 3.75 and 0. So this one. So 3.75 and 0 will be here. Okay. So what is this line? This line will be 4x. This line will be 4x plus y equal to 15. So now we have drawn the lines with the points we have found by putting x, substituting x and y as 0. So we have found the points and drawn the lines. Next we have found out that the feasible region here. we find that the feasible region will be x point will be 2.5 and y will be 3.66. Now select those points. So x less than 2.5. So x less than 2. So x less than 2.5 means it should be below this value. Okay, so x less than 3.5 means this is the equal region, and y less than 3.5. So 3.6. So y less than 3.6 means it should be below this value. So this is the feasible region. So here we have already got 2 points. So we can mark these points as, that is 2.5 comma 0. That is, we take this point as A, and then 0 comma 3.6 is this point as B, because it comes into the feasible region. So this we have to find out the points in the boundary of the feasible region. So this point is 1 and this point is 1. We already found selected. Now we have to find out this point and this point. This point and this point we find out because it is the intersection of these two lines. That is which line? 4x plus y, and this one is 3 plus xy. So we'll take this point as C and this point as D. Now we'll find out what is value of the points C and D. So we'll find out the value of the point C by solving this two equations. That is two lines. We solve these two lines, we get the value of x and y. So first we can multiply on this first equation. Second equation means multiply 1 by 3. So it will be 3 plus 12 plus 3y equal to 45. Then x plus 3y equal to 11. So subtract it, will get 11x equal to 34. So x is equal to 34 by 11. Okay, can keep it as such. So next we will substitute the value of x in 2. So 34 by 11 plus 3 into 34 by 11. Oh sorry, 3 into 3y. So 3y equal to 11. So 3y equal to 11 minus 34 by 11, which is equal to 11 into 11 is 121. 121 minus 34 by 11, which is equal to 87 by 11. And then the y value will be 87 by 3 into 11. Here 3 will go here. 3 2s are 6. So remaining 2, 27 is 3 9s are 27. So 29 by 11. So 29 by 11 is the y value. X value will be 34 by 11. So the point C is 34 by 11 comma 29 by 11. Okay. Next we'll find now we have to find out the D point. So this is C point. Now D point. So D point is what? Is the intersection of this value only. 4x plus y equal to 15. The same line 4x plus y equal to 15 with this line. This line is what? 2x minus 3y equal to 5. Now solve this one. So here we will multiply the first with 3. Multiply first into 3. So 3 4s are 12. 12x plus 3y equal to 45. 2x minus 3y equal to 5. So add it both. So 14x will be equal to 50. So x will be 50 by 14. You can reduce it to 25 by 7. So keep it as such. So next we can substitute the value. In 2. So substituting in 2, we get 2 into 25 by 7 minus 3y equal to 5. So 3y equal to minus 3y equal to 5 minus 50 by 7. So minus 3y equal to 35 minus 50 by 7, which is equal to minus 15 by 7. So the value of y would be 15 by 7 into 3. So this goes 5 times. So the value will be 5 by 7. Okay, the value will be 5 by 7. Value be 5 by 7. So this point will be what? That is D point will be, D value will be 25 by 7, 25 by 7 and 5 by 7. So D point. So D point is 25 by 7 and 5 by 7. Okay. So now we got the 4 points. Okay, we got this D point 0, 3.6 is, then A point is already 2.5 and 0. Here we found out the intersection points. We found this is 34 by 11, 29 by 11, and this is 25 by 7 and 5 by 7. So x and y values. Now we have to find out the substitute the maximum in the maximum objective function. We have to substitute these value of the points and find out which is the maximum value. Okay. Okay, these are the points. So A value is on B, C and D. I have written the points. Okay, now substitute each and every value in this objective function and find out the value. So first substitute the value A 2.5 and 0. So 6 into 2.5 plus 5 into 0, which is equal to, just 2 times 6, 12, 12 plus 3, which is 12 plus 3, which is 15. So it will be 15. Okay, next Z of B. So this will be 15. 6 into 2.5 will be 15. Okay, next 0 and 3.66. Z of B is 0 and 3.66. So 6 of 0 plus 5 of 3.66. Okay, which is equal to 18.30. So this value is 18.30. Next Z of C. Z of C is what? C 6 of 34 by 11 plus 5 of 29 by 11. So this value is 204. So 6 4s are 24. So 204 by 11 plus 559 will be 145 by 11. So we get 349 by 11. So what is the value of 349 by 11? 11 divided by 349 will be 11 is 33, remaining 1, 19. So 1. So 8 is remaining. 8 will go in 7 times 77, 3, so 2. So this value will be 31.72. So this value will be 31.72. Now Z of D. What is D value? D value will be 25. D value will be 25 by 7. That is 6 into 25 by 7 plus 5 into 5 by 7. Okay, so 6 into 25. 6 into 25 will be 150. So 150 by 7 plus 25 by 7, which is equal to 175 by 7. So 175 by 7 will be 7 to 14. So 3 minus 3, 35. 35 goes 5 times. So Z of D will be 25. So now I found out the 4 values, that is Z for views Z of A means it is 15, Z of B is 18.30, Z of C is 31.72, and then Z of D is 25. So among these we have to maximize, right? Maximum of Z. So what is the maximum value? Maximum value is 31.72. Hence the answer is 31.72. The value of X x will be 34 by 11 and value of y will be 29 by 11. So if you want the 34 by 11 will be approximately, it will be x value will be 3.0 and y value will be 2.63. okay, so this is the value of the objective function. Okay, we solve the next problem in the next video. Thank you.